Travel for me is a form of hypnotism. It prepares me to be under a spell, and I really love it. It also opens my mind to different things and aspects. I love to enjoy every small moments in my travel journey. As you see, capturing my train journey, watching over every small bit and piece of information from the environment around me. So we rented a scooty, which is easily available in Goa for around 250 to 350 rupees. We stayed in Panjim, which was off the city. We actually stayed in my friend's place, and this is me super happy and showing you some quick views from the Panjim city. See, this is the first day in Goa and I'm so very excited, and this is amazing. I'm come for a vacation after 2 years, guys, so this is going to be killer. So the first day today we have decided to come for dinner at Konkani Canteen. It's one of the very famous places in Panjim. I would surely recommend this to you, not because it's famous, but the food out here is truly amazing. It's also very pocket friendly. What actually caught my eyes is the interiors of this place. It gave me a very raw, rugged look of olden kitchens in Goa. It was very beautiful. We ordered some good Goan cuisine. So we ordered some amazing Goan cuisine out here, which was all seafood, and I really love. And even Makwin, my husband, even he really loves seafood. So we went ahead with some Bombay duck fry, which was very crispy. This was squids. We ordered prawns rava fry. Trust me guys, this was really very yummy, and it was very pocket friendly as well, not very expensive. This place is very popular for their food. A lot of celebrities do come in. This is the famous Bombay duck fry, which is bombil fry, crisp and yum. Then we ordered prawns curry, prawns fish curry and steamed rice, which was delicious. Now this is the next day where we are actually heading for lunch. We have moved from Panjim and we're going all the way to near Baga and Kalangot. We would stop for lunch at Starlight. I will do take you. That's my favorite place to eat some very good seafood. So just enjoy this journey. There are some very good views, good bungalows out here on the way, which I'm really recording. And these are my friends who are carrying some luggage along with them. I actually love the church which is in the background. I was unable to get it very clearly because we were moving on the scooty. So a few of the glimpses, but I really love it. It's beautiful, this church. So this is near Palm Spring, the Palms Resort. Even this church, these architectures of Goa are beautiful. If you ever see this, you just feel you're staying in some ancient time. So this is Fatfish, one of my other favorites as well. You get some good food out here. And this is Starlight, as I mentioned. It is just a few distance away from Fatfish. It is one of a very good place where you can get the local Goan food. So Starlight is very easily accessible. You can search it on Google, you'll find it. We enjoyed some very good seafood out here, which was first squids butter garlic, which is absolutely delicious. Then prawns rava fry. These are tiger prawns which are rava fried in the batter, which were yum, crunchy and crispy. This was the first time I tried crab out here in Starlight, which was absolutely delicious. I really went all out eating the crab. Then we ordered the famous fish thali, which had a roti, rice, fish curry. There were 4 or 5 different types of fishes which were in different variety. It was delicious. Now this what is in Makwin's hand is squids. It looks weird though, but it is very yummy and tasty. So we really enjoyed the meal out here. It was absolutely worth it. If you're ever in Goa, do not forget to visit Starlight. Trust me, you would thank me after you visit there. It is absolutely a place to visit if you're a seafood lover. After such a heavy lunch, all I wanted was a walk on the beach and really see the sunset while I'm in Goa. That was my wish. That at least I don't miss the sunset as much as I can. Travel helps me to reconnect to all the lost spaces in life. It feels like meditating, sitting quietly and traveling to different places in your mind. However, when I'm really traveling somewhere, all I have is a white smile because I watch each and everything around me, which makes me feel how different is one place from the other. Now, this sunset is absolutely beautiful to witness. The beach at this is beautiful. As you see behind, this is awesome. I end this video leaving you with the sound of the sea. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.